channel. My name is Sana and welcome to another video. Now we all know that festive season is right here. It's just around the corner. एक हफ्ते में दिवाली आ जाएगी and there are so many other events also around Diwali. There's Dhanteras, then there's Bhai Dooj and everything. So I thought let's share a makeup look that you guys can do for either of the festivals. Now this is a very simple makeup look that I have done and today's video will be a tutorial of this look itself. But let me tell you something that ये जो मेरा makeup look है, it's very classic and something that everyone can do no matter what you're wearing, whether you're wearing a sari, whether you're wearing a suit, some Indo-Western outfit, anything that you want. And this is the makeup look that I've created. It's so gorgeous and very simple to do. तो आज का video is a makeup tutorial. Also talking about the products, that everything that I've got and I've shown in this video will be linked in the description, and all of it is from Amazon because Amazon is having their great Indian festival sale. Now it's still Diwali, so don't forget to check it out as well. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial because I'm so excited to show this gorgeous look to you all. So guys, let's begin with the makeup. तो मैंने ऑलरेडी मॉइस्चराइज कर रखा है बट आई एम स्टिल गोना अप्लाई अ लिटिल बीबी क्रीम बिफोर आई मूव अहेड विद फाउंडेशन. यू कैन एक्चुअली स्किप बीबी क्रीम कम्प्लीटली एंड जस्ट गो डायरेक्टली विद फाउंडेशन, बट आई एम यूजिंग द गार्नियर बीबी क्रीम बिकॉज मैं फाउंडेशन बहुत स्लाइट सा यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. तो आई वॉन्ट माई बेस टू बी वेरी क्लियर, सो इसलिए मैं पहले बीबी क्रीम यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एंड ये भी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लूँगी. आई एम जस्ट गोना डैब अ लिटिल बिट ऑन माई स्किन क्योंकि मैं बहुत टैन हूँ इस समय. तो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट माई स्किन टू लुक even textured, so just apply a little bit and then just dab and blend everything using my fingers. As always, you can use a beauty blender or a brush as well. Okay, now you apply foundation. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. That's my shade. तो मैं डायरेक्टली स्किन पे लगा रही हूँ बट आप ना ब्रश लेके भी लगा सकते हो. पीपल टेक सम अमाउंट इन द हैंड एंड देन अप्लाई इट, बट क्योंकि मुझे बहुत थोड़ा सा लगाना है, जस्ट दिस मच, मे बी आई एम गोना बी ओके विद दिस मच. एंड इसीलिए मैं इसको पूरा प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं ले रही हूँ. That's it. That's the only amount of foundation I'm applying today. And we will blend this with this brush. It's a flat brush and let's blend it. फाउंडेशन डन. नाउ वी विल अप्लाई कंसीलर. तो आप देख सकते हो मेरा बेस बहुत नेचुरल लग रहा है इस समय. इट्स मोर लाइक माई स्किन और आई लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ बेस बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट कि मैं इतनी अननेचुरल लगूँ कि लोग मुझे बोले इज दैट यू. So we will apply concealer, my favorite concealer, which is almost over. It's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer again in the shade 20 Sand, and let's apply it. Now we will blend everything and इसके लिए मैं fingers use कर रही हूँ again. So now we will just apply some face powder to set everything in. I'm using the Maybelline Compact Fit Me Compact in the shade 120 Classic Ivory, and I don't like the sponge they provide. It's not really the best, so I prefer a brush. And it's just a lot of powder to set everything in because it's so humid in Mumbai right now. I don't want my Diwali makeup to melt down like that. Guys, my base is set and I like it. It's very natural. That's the kind of base I usually prefer. And yeah, let's move on to the next step. So my next step में अपनी eyes करने जा रही हूँ. And for the eyes, I'm firstly using this Maybelline Fit Me palette, छोटू वाला. एंड इसमें ना मैं आईज में एक नई चीज़ करने जा रही हूँ आज. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग जस्ट दिस, आई ऑल्सो बी यूजिंग दिस ग्लिटर आई शैडो, बट ये मैं बाद में लगाऊंगी. मैं पहले सिर्फ अपना एक बेस करना चाहती हूँ बहुत लाइट से ब्राउन का. सो आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस शेड and this is probably my most used shade, so I'm just taking thoda sa in my hand and just rub it from the inner lids to the edge. That's it. उसके बाद main magic होगा. Okay, now this is how my eyes look right now, but this is not it. I'm just not using this palette. I'm also using another thing, as I said, and this is what I'm using. It's the Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow. I'm trying it for the first time and I'm actually quite excited. This is in the shade Diamond Dust. So let's try it. It's actually a golden shade eyeshadow and liquid eyeshadow, very pigmented, so let's not take over because I'm just applying it for the first time. So let's try it. It's so pretty. I think I should take a little more because it's very pretty. गाइस, जिसको मेकअप करना नहीं आता ना उसके लिए तो ये लिटरली एकदम परफेक्ट है. इट लुक्स सो प्रिटी. आई एम जस्ट गोना ब्लेंड इट थोड़ा, क्योंकि मैंने इधर क्योंकि पहली बार लगाया तो मेरा हल्का सा फैल गया है, तो आई एम जस्ट गोना एडजस्ट इट अ लिटिल बिट. So let's move on to the next step, which is mascara. I'm using the Lakme Absolute Mascara. So let's use it and curl my eyes. Without Kajal, right? So we will apply Kajal. I'm using the Maybelline Kajal. It's literally the one Kajal every girl has. So now my favorite part, that is blush. So I'm using the Lakme 95 blush. It's literally one of the most beautiful blush I've used. It's very pigmented, so let's apply it. Now the last part of the makeup, so we'll apply lipstick, and I'm using the Lakme Cushion Matte lipstick in the shade CM3. So let's apply it. I always feel the makeup is incomplete without gloss, so we will apply my favorite Swiss Beauty lip gloss. I've used it so many times and I've always mentioned in my videos, so this remains the constant. Then guys, this is my final makeup. I actually quite like it, and the eyes look so good, especially in the close-up. And yeah, let's change and get ready for festival. So guys, this is my final makeup look, and this is what I'm gonna do on Diwali this time. And I think it's very simple, very classy, and something that everyone can do. और मेरा aim यही रहता है मैं ऐसा कुछ दिखाऊँ जो हर कोई कर सकता, because I'm myself a beginner. So let's learn together. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. Until next video, bye. Take care.